everybody, today I am bringing you a very exciting and very special video because I've always thought there should be a subscription box like the fitness ones and the beauty ones and the clothing ones for dancers. Well, guess what? We got one now. It is the Kathryn Morgan Haul exclusively from Dancers Hall, which is through Dancewear Corner, and it is going to be the new dancer subscription box. I am so excited. I've been working on this for a really long time, and it's going to be quarterly like many of the fitness and beauty boxes, and you're going to get a lot of products in here. You're going to get a lot of exclusive products in here that you can only get if you get the Kathryn Morgan Haul. So I want to take you through this. I am so excited, just absolutely so happy I can finally show you guys this. They're going to be, again, quarterly, so 4 boxes a year. Each box is going to have a theme, as you'll see as you get them. And now, guys, we not only ship nationally, but internationally for a low cost. I know a lot of you guys had problems with the t-shirts for the international shipping. It's now very, very affordable, so if you also want a t-shirt, you can get that without $100 shipping now. National, international, I'm going to take you through this. You can get this on my website or at Dancewear Corner. I will link it below where you can get one. If you want to get this and want to be surprised, you can purchase it through one of the links below and click off the video and don't watch it, because I'm going to take you through this because I'm so excited that there's finally a box for dancers. So it comes packaged like so, and each one comes with a card that is written by myself. This is the winter box, and so I wanted to do kind of a winter wonderland theme on this one. So winter is certainly here this year. In this first Kathryn Morgan Haul, you will be fully ready for those frosty days. Then I kind of take you through the products and what each is. I'm not going to read that. But the one thing I wanted to mention, as a recipient of this box, you are automatically entered for a very special prize. One lucky winner will be featured on my blog as well as Dancewear Corner's blog. A post will be dedicated to you and will be shared across all social media channels. So stay tuned. We will be contacting the winner soon. And so all you have to do to enter this is just purchase one. And then we will, at random, from the people who have purchased it, select the winner, and they will be featured on both my website and Dancewear Corner's website across all the channels, etc. So here's a little card. So that's really exciting. So then you have a little sticker, which is just so cute. And guys, this is not like 3 product and done. There is a good amount of products in here. I get very frustrated with those subscription boxes that you pay however much for and you get like 3 products. You get about 6 or 7 in this particular one. So I'm gonna take you through it. Again, if you don't wanna see, click away. So the first thing you're gonna get, again, this is Winter Wonderland themed. And one of the brands we partnered with for the first one is Leotard. So you're going to get some Leotard leg warmers. Really cozy, really soft, and again, kind of blue and white to go with our Winter Wonderland theme. And the thing about this is you get a full outfit in this box. So you get the leg warmers, a light blue leotard. Sizing is available when you purchase the box. You click on what size you are. So you get a light blue leotard, which you guys know me. I wear this color all the time. This is my color. So it is this, it's just really simple. I wanted to go simple to start because I know not a lot of schools and places allow crazy leotards. So simple pinch front and V in the back. Super comfy, super flattering fabric. It's a little bit silky, but not to the point that it shows all the lumps and bumps. So again, you will specify your size. All right, so you get the leotard leg warmers. Look at that. I mean, it matches perfectly. And to complete your ensemble, you get a white tie skirt. So my goal in each box is to give you a complete look, plus some other fun goodies. This is like 14-year-old Katie Morgan's dream right now. So you get classic white tie skirt. I mean, this is something that everybody can use. This is a one-size-fits-all skirt. So, you know, tie, especially for those of you going to summer courses where you need a white skirt, we got you covered. So you got the blue leotard, the leg warmers, the white skirt. Then you have some other goodies in here. Comes in this pouch. First thing you've got are a pair of tights, because everybody needs a pair of tights to complete your ensemble. Again, these come in sizing, so you will specify that when you order the box. These are by Dancewear Corner. They are the standard ballet pink, really comfy tights. You cannot have too many pairs of tights. We have two special products from Covet Dance. This first one is called the Brise Spray. And what it does is it helps reduce swelling and helps with sore muscles after that dance class. So all you do is you spray it on, and it cleanses, it reduces swelling. This is especially good for your feet. If your feet stink or they're swollen or something, spray this on. It's a tonic spritz with magic MSM, soothing aloe, and toning willow bark. So that's one. And then you also get the point powder, which is to dry, disinfect, and deodorize your feet. You could also put your toe pads in here, just saying. You dry, disinfect your toes. You can put your, like I said, you can put your toe pads. You can even sprinkle this in your pointe shoes if they're really bad. And it's just a powder to kind of help air out things and deodorize them and disinfect. So you get all of these products in this box. We are doing this quarterly simply because I wanted you guys, again, to have a quality box and not do it like every month and only get a couple products. I wanted you to get a full outfit, some extra little goodies, so it will be seasonally. So this is the winter box. Come spring, we will have the spring box for you, and I'm not going to tell you the theme of that one. You'll have to stay tuned. Thank you so much to Dancewear Corner for making this possible. This is such a dream come true for me because I always loved subscription boxes, but I was so frustrated that there was not one for dancers. So the fact that I have worked with them to create one now is so exciting for me. And look at this box. I mean, this is not your run-of-the-mill like, oh, it's in a box. It's literally a printed box. So thank you so much to Dancewear Corner and Dancers Hall. Between the t-shirts and the scholarship, which we're doing again soon, so stay tuned for that. This is truly, truly amazing, and I love working with you guys, and this means a lot to me, and I really hope you guys enjoy this box. So all links are below. You can get it on dancewearcorner.com or through my website. I will link both below. Really doesn't matter. It's the same thing, either website. These are $49.99, but quarterly. $50 every 3 months. It's not $50 a month. So this is quarterly, 4 times a year. I hope you guys get this box. I really hope you enjoy it because I had so much fun making it. I'm already working on next times, and I think you're gonna like that one too. If you end up purchasing one and get it, hashtag it with KM Haul on it, and so I can see and wear your outfit and the whole thing. Also, like I said, we now have reasonable international shipping on the t-shirts, and I'm working on new t-shirts to come out with a 3rd quote on them. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for the scholarship. Also, guys, I want to do another technique video soon, so if you are struggling with ballet steps, leave me a comment down below. If you missed my interview with Jess Spinner of The Whole Dancer, it's right down there. You can click it to watch. Love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.